Woo! Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything, and today we are going to be unboxing a brand new Spider-Man costume. This is the Spider-Man Far From Home costume. So this is the one from the new movie, and I'm so excited to open this and try it on. As you can see already from the front, it came in this really nice packaging. It's got a resealable pouch, so that's really cool. I have a lot of other Spider-Man costumes. I've got the comic one, I've got the Spider-Man Homecoming one, and I've also got a Miles Morales costume. I will leave all of those reviews in the description below if you want to check those out. But now we are looking at the Spider-Man Far From Home costume. And stick around to the end of the video where I will tell you where you can get this costume for yourself. So now let's check out the costume. Let's pull it out of the bag. Ooh, okay. Let's start with the bodysuit. So it's got really nice colors. Again, it's the Spider-Man Far From Home. That's the black and red. Oh man, the colors look so nice. Look at that. The red is a really striking red. Take a look at the texturing on the side of the suit, on the black part. Yep. And then, of course, there's the spider. And even the red part has a bit of a texture, which is super cool, not like the other costumes that I have. And then of course it's got the white spider at the back. So cool. So here is the, yep, that is the costume. And now, woo, look at this mask. Ooh, yeah, this looks great. Look at those eyes. I think these are probably my favorite Spider-Man eyes from all of the costumes that I own. Here, take a close look. So there you can see it's got that, you know, the mechanism of the opening and closing, and it's a really nice size, and I hope it looks good on me. So now, there's nothing else to do but just to try it on. I hope it fits well, I hope it looks good all together, and yeah, we're gonna try it on, and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, check it out. So this is the Spider-Man costume from Far From Home. So already I can say that this is probably my favorite Spider-Man costume that I own. Just look at the mask itself. Look at the eyes, the shape, and the spacing. It's not too close together, it's not too far apart. I've always had a problem with that with my other Spider-Man costumes, but this one is just perfect. Look at that. Oh yeah, I love the shape of the eyes and the size. So good, so good. And then here's the body. So let me take a step back. Alright, so another really cool thing that I like here on the gloves, you can see it's got that web shooter here, so you know, it's the web shooter's there. And again, just check out the texture on the black. Yeah, it's got really nice detailing, really detailed. And then the webs have kind of got this shiny kind of print, so you know, it looks kind of 3D. Yeah, so I really like that about this costume. Yeah, so good. Alright, so this is the Spider-Man Far From Home costume. Alright, so overall thoughts about this costume. I think this is my favorite Spider-Man costume out of all the 3-4 costumes that I have of Spider-Man. I really like the colors. The black and the red are just, the contrast is so good that, you know, the colors just pop a lot. Again, with the mask, this is probably my favorite mask. I love the shape of the eyes, the detailing of the mold of the rims on the eyes, and also the size and the spacing, you know, between. It just looks really great fitting on my head, and that's something that the other costumes didn't really do. So really happy with this one. And then two small details is that it's got a zipper at the back of the mask to help it fit on better, and then the costume is a single zipper at the back. It's kind of hard to put on by yourself, but it's possible. Took me just a few minutes to do it, but yep. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to pick up this costume for yourself, I got this on Shopee, the Shopee app, and this is a size XL. For people wondering, I'm around 5'6" in height, and my waistline is around 30. So that fits me, the size XL, if you want to pick it up for yourself. I'll leave a link for that in the description below so you can buy it easily if you want it. Again, I hope that you found this video helpful and enjoyed watching. I do a lot of other costume reviews, toy reviews, a lot of that stuff. So if you want to see more of that content each and every week, consider subscribing. If you want to check out my other Spider-Man costume, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.